At Cleanbeam UV, we are helping the world sanitize safer and quicker with a full range of far UV solutions. We offer large area sanitation, hand sanitizers, handheld wands, as well as the ability to provide customized solutions for your facility. Each Cleanbeam UV fixture uses far UV, a revolutionary breakthrough in the fight against infection. For the first time, we can actively disinfect large, occupied spaces with UV light. Far UV cannot penetrate the skin cell or tear duct layer, making it the first germicidal UV wavelength safe to use around humans. Far UV is also just as deadly to harmful microorganisms as conventional UVC. Recent studies show that pathogens can remain airborne for several hours, eventually circulating through an entire room. Cleanbeam UV fixtures instantly reduce the threat of infection by directly targeting these pathogens with a germicidal dose of far UV. Please visit our website to learn more.